coming, baby. What's all that noise over there? Why are you always complaining, baby? Let's go. It's actually the jazz right now. That's why there's so many people outside here in Molde and all of that music you can hear around the city. That is just the concerts here and there, whatever. Yep. It's definitely not like Sinulog. Are you kidding me? This festival? Like Sinulog in the Philippines? No, it's not. Seagulls. Why are you saying it's boring? It's not boring. I'm having a great time. You look pretty, Vivi. There's a concert over there. It's actually quite refreshing to be outside today, no? What?
Plus, it's a famous artist.
What? Something I didn't try to do yet. That is the hyperlapse. Let's do a hyperlapse through the Molde Jazz Festival here in Molde 2025. Hyperlapse. Our worst kind of nightmare happened. The seagulls took a shit on me.
That they have something in there.
No, you're lucky, baby. I'm the only victim.
Me.
I'm the only victim today. Jazz festival is not nice. It's too many seagulls.